So now I'm going to show you, after you have gotten your operating system from the BitTorrent, which I got from Pirate Bay, we're going to now install. Now remember the buttons, new, settings and start. You click start. Once as long as you're sure you have identified which server or client you want to install. Now we only have one right now, so you click start. And you have to capture your mouse, so you click OK. So it's just starting the virtual machine. Now you have to click OK again to capture the mouse. I'm going to show you the screen a little bit smaller. Now on the background you can see the preview window that's telling you that the files are loading. So since I know the Windows is loading, I'm going to bring back the main window and scroll down. And here's where you're going to see Windows is loading its files for the Windows 2008 server. Now this may take a little while to load. Now different Windows operating systems have different required user interface. That's where you have to input different set of information. Now Windows Server has all of it mostly up front and it's a lot easy to do than say for instance XP. So I'll show you in the next set of videos. So as this is loading, we'll see what the finished product looks like in the next clip. Now we see that the Windows Server 2008 operating system has finished loading its files. We click OK to capture the mouse, and there in the background you can see the preview also shows you what is going on with the machine. And here the Windows 2008 server is starting to pull all those files that downloaded from the BitTorrent and then from the daemon tools which I got from Pirate Bay, and start to set up the machine. And you can see the machine, you notice you might see two pointers, and that's simply because the machine captured one to use inside the virtual machine. Now I'm going to show you the machine, view and devices are basically the same as they were previously. Now that, okay, I just want to recapture my mouse because I'm seeing it not moving as it should. So now you see we have language to install: English, time and currency, format English, and keyboard method US. And we will click on next because we can use all those prompts. Next we go to install now. Now if you see below here, it asks you what to know before installing Windows and repair your computer. Now if something was wrong with your computer, you could use the repair your computer link to fix it. Or if you want to know what installing Windows Server, what it takes, what your requirements are and so forth, you could use that link. Or you could click on install now. So this is a brand new server. We're going to click on install now. Now it's going to be pulling files, as I said before, from the operating system that was imaged on the F virtual drive, which was linked to my daemon tools. And this may take a little time because it's a pretty big file.